9in1 multi-monitoring meters LBM-02. ACCU-ANSWER ISO multi-monitoring meters is intended for in vitro diagnostic use, using fresh capillary whole blood or venous whole blood and human urine. This test system is designed for professional use. Test principle. Package contents: color box, multi-monitoring meter, quality control card. Test strips: hemoglobin, lipid profile, blood glucose, uric acid, urine uric acid, urine glucose, user's manual, lancing device, sterile lancets, USB, Bluetooth thermal printer and thermal printer paper, optional, carry case.
ACCU-ANSWER. Know myself, enjoy my life.